Once again, the Google Pixel 8 Pro has made its way into the spotlight, this time through a new set of images revealing the smartphone in both unboxed and boxed states. These images provide a comprehensive view of the upcoming smartphone, showcasing it from all angles, along with a peek at its accessories and packaging. Although the image quality isn't top-notch, more images and unboxing videos are expected to surface before the official launch. This leak comes shortly after the Pixel 8 Pro starred in a series of hands-on photos, which, upon closer inspection, seem to be pre-boxing shots taken within a factory setting. In these images, at least two devices are visible. One Pixel 8 Pro in obsidian black and another in porcelain. The shots reveal the phone, accompanied by the standard USB-C cable, charger, and Google's quick switch adapter. The matte rear surface of the Pixel 8 Pro is also discernible in these images. Additionally, a Twitter user shared pictures of the Pixel 8 in a perplexing gray SLG green color inside its box. The box details confirm 128 gigabytes of storage, sub-65-gram support, and a 6.2-inch display. The Pixel 8 Pro, featuring the Google Tensor G3 SoC key, is anticipated to start at around $899 USD. Despite the leaks, the Pixel 8 Pro maintains the Pixel family's distinctive camera bar. While these unboxing images don't reveal groundbreaking details, they offer a glimpse into what's already known about the device. With the Pixel 8 series set for its official launch on October 4, more leaks are likely on the horizon. What are your thoughts on these latest Pixel 8 Pro leaks? Share your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned for further updates, and until next time, peace out.